Hey guys, I'm back with the Boomphones Phantom review. So, there are three things that I'm going to cover in this short review, and I'll have a longer one up later. I'm going to cover the boom mode, the amplified mode, and the regular mode. Just a hearing test and a sound check. Alright, so the Boomphones have three modes, like you've just heard and probably already know. So I'm going to be playing Radioactive by, I don't even remember who it's by. Imagine Dragons. Radioactive. So, let's plug these bad boys in. And I'm going to use the volume mic auxiliary wire. So, I don't know if you guys think that makes a difference, but I do not think it does. So, I'm going to be doing 100% on every one of these. So here is 100% on the regular mode. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but I will be able to, so I can elaborate on it. Here, I'll move these up near the microphone. Alright, so that's the regular mode without the LEDs and the amplified mode. So now I'm going to go into amplified mode, so just hit this switch here. LED comes on, and you can notice it gets a little louder. Got the LED there. And now I'm going to be going into boom mode. So, got the white LED, just hit that.
It's a revolution, I suppose. Pretty red to creep right in. Whoa. Breaking in.
Yeah, so that's all the modes and everything. All of them sound great, but if you turn them up too loud, like I did in this test, it might lose sound quality. It might be a little bit scratchy in the middle between you can hear the instruments in the voice. There might be a little mixture in between those two. So yeah, this is this review of the Boomphones Phantom's soundcheck. I will have another full review up in a couple days. So I will see you later. Thanks, guys.